Today, the Builder Buddies ladies are visiting one of the biggest construction projects in American history, the Hoover Dam. It's 726 feet tall. That's like stacking more than 40 houses on top of each other. The ladies are here to learn how it was built and how it brings power to millions.
Design the future. They used over 3 million cubic yards of concrete to build this dam. Enough to pave a road from San Francisco to New York.
Count carefully. Imagine doing the math for all that concrete. Every number matters on a job this big.
Make a plan. It took 5 whole years to build this, and it all started with a solid plan.
Watch everything. The dam holds back the mighty Colorado River. That's a lot to keep your eyes on.
Stay alert. With visitors and work zones, staying alert keeps everyone safe.
Protect everyone. Whether on a tour or a job site, safety is always first.
Build big dreams. The turbines inside the dam turn rushing water into electricity, powering homes all across Nevada, Arizona, and California.
Try new things. I never knew water could light up cities. There's so much to explore when you give it a try.
From big designs to smart planning, the Hoover Dam is a symbol of teamwork and strength, just like our Builder Buddies ladies. Builder Buddies, strong, smart, and leading the way for girls everywhere. Girl power builds the future. Subscribe for more Builder Buddies adventures. For more exciting adventures, check out the coloring books at dirtconnectionsstore.com.